that somebody is spending time, energy, money on Fendi and Louis Vuitton and Hermes, then they need to get a life. Fendi, what is Fendi, what is Louis Vuitton, what is Hermes? I will never have this problem if I am doing this session in Delhi, incidentally. The Emporium Mall. Conversely, the north of the country tends to believe that it is we who need to get a life, because ostensibly we don't have a sense of style, we don't have a sense of dress, and some other things, right? So to stick with the point, peacocks are deeply antagonistic, or the owls are deeply antagonistic towards peacocks, because I think they have a real problem getting to the point. Very, very. Okay, great. Report, sir. The most unlikely situation of the dolphin being the boss. Sometimes it happens, you get really lucky, your boss is a dolphin. What is the boss concerned about, most concerned about?
Just work out. How will it fall? How will the report be different?
Did you have to burn the midnight oil to? Are you okay? Did you have to burn the midnight oil to make this report? Are you okay? I hope you didn't have to go right now.
Others also so everybody will come.
Yeah, he's also sort of thinking. That's fine. And what if my boss, God forbid, is a strong owl? What is he then looking for? Logical reasoning.
I mean,
No.
for data point.
Data points. Accuracy. Is your postscript accurate? जो हिंदी में कहते हैं बाल की खाल. बाल की खाल. A great attention. Yeah. So the English version is your I's have to be dotted, your T's have to be crossed.
Don't you think that over a period of your career, you will go into all segments one by one?
We're going to get there.
And most of the time, when you get into that senior role, you will either be between the owl and the panther. And on the middle stage, you will definitely tend towards the scene.
Super. Yes. So Bharti is making the point. Yes. This is also there. So panther, peacock, dolphin, owl comes from research done at MIT. Need for action, need for appreciation comes from research done at Stanford. Now ostensibly both of them are Ivy League universities. They cannot be seen to be taking each other's research, so they have to use a different name but saying the same thing. Right? Now the point that Bharti is making is this. He's saying that as I grow in my career, is there a possibility that I overlap these styles? Absolutely. Having said that, there is a cultivated style and there is a dormant or a default style. As a lot of us, for example, if you come from a family business and if you are the first generation in your family working in a corporate, there's a very strong likelihood that your default style and your cultivated style will have to be very different. Right or wrong? Right? So, is it also possible, therefore, that these styles are slightly schizophrenic? Meaning to say that you have a very strong one style in your home and almost as a sense of overcompensation, you have the opposite style at work. Like dolphins at home, panthers at work. It's like that only.
Most dominant.
No, it depends on situations also.
Tina's influence.
Yeah. खरबूजे को देखकर खरबूजा रंग पकड़ लेता है. Okay, at this midpoint, let's go back before we take the discussion forward, because then now we're going to get into groups and discuss what are some of the things that one can do. Go back to your psychometrics, total them up.
How do you total that?
Number of ticks, total them. Yeah. So let's do a bit of a guessing game. I am thinking that Girish has a fairly high owl score. I am thinking Harsha has a fairly high owl score. I am thinking Trisha has a fairly high spontaneous peacock score. I am thinking that Parthiban has I think he will fall in dolphin. I don't know. We'll tell you which one is dolphin. See is dolphin. So now, if you total it, how many of us have a strong, by strong I mean a 5+ score in the first column? 5+. Okay. And by doing this, how many of us also have a 5 or 5+ in one mode? So 5 in Panther and 5 in somewhere else also. No, just now 5 in Panther and 5 somewhere else. So that's Harsha.
So 5 girls.
5 necessarily in Panther and 5 somewhere else.
At least 5 in each of.
What do you have?
The second one.
So this is 4, 4, 1, 4. I'm asking
Okay, 5.
5 here and 5 somewhere else.
The next one. 1 and 2.
You have 1 and 2. Peacock and Panther. Pantherish peacock. What do you have, sir?
1 and 2.
Again, you have 1 and 2.
6 in peacock, 5 in
Harsha, what do you have?
I have Panther and Owl.
Panther and Owl. Is it any surprise? 1 and 4. Panther and Owl again. Okay.
Sir, what is what?
I'll tell you.
Panther, peacock, dolphin, owl.
We'll make the correlation just now. Second, which is in the second column, 5 and above. Second column, 5 and above. 1. Sir, up. Okay. You don't have Trisha? 5, not in the second column? Okay. Yeah, a miss. That's a miss. Okay. How many have 5 in the second column and then 5 somewhere else? So you are that. You fall there and you fall there. Anyone else has so second column and elsewhere other than Panther? 4, right? Okay, which is fine. Okay. Dolphins, which is the third column, 5+ as dolphins. Our man is dolphin. Right? Okay. And what else? 6 as dolphin. Hold on. How about you? 6 and 5. Okay. 5+ owls.
5 plus 1.
What about you? Okay, you are the therapy. Okay. So where it is 4, 4, 4, that they require therapy. Long-term therapy. 4.
I have 4.
You have 2 4s. One of them is owl.
One is Panther, the other one is dolphin.
Dolphin. Panther and dolphin.
3 4.
3 4s. Again, same as Girish, I think. Long-term therapy.
Panther, peacock, and owl.
Panther, peacock, and owl. You have again 3 4s. 4 and owl. Okay. So here's what we are saying, team. The first team, as we all know by now, the first set of scores on the first column correspond to the Panther style of communication. The second set correspond to peacock style of communication. The third, dolphin, and the fourth, owl. Now, what we will do is an exercise where we get the panthers together the peacocks together, the dolphins together, the owls together, and try and understand what is it that they like talking about. Okay. What is it in other people's communication that they hate? Which means if I'm sitting as in a group of panthers, I'm saying as a panther, what is it that I like talking about? I'm saying when I listen to a peacock, this is what I hate. When I listen to an owl, this is what I hate. When I listen to a dolphin, this is what I hate. Why do this exercise? Any idea? What's the relevance?
Because the other people say certain.
Yeah, you can appreciate You can appreciate what motivates
Different people.
Bring out, make it clear as to what is not.
Are we talking about the style versus the role here?
We will eventually get there, but right now we are only talking about styles. As of now, we are only talking about styles, and the question is that if I am a peacock, what benefit is it to the group for me to talk about the things that I like speaking about, and then in turn say what is it that I don't really like in other people's communication? What's the relevance in the context of what we are doing?
It's more of being conscious of what the other person and what we are, so that we'll work on good things.
So that's how you will take forward the interview. I think if you are able to gauge what sort of a person, accordingly you can change the role to get the best out of you.
Isn't that about expanding that
Self-awareness, and absolutely, and given that you may or may not be able to administer it, and yet need to start gauging what the
conscious of the bias.
of the bias
In myself.
in our
or
sense.
my style.
Is that what you wanted to say? Exactly. Okay. Now we have a couple of people. So what's your score, Girish?
on Panther.
Across.
Panther's predominant.
Panthers predominant. Which is how many?
8.
8. So when I said 5 plus Panther, you raise your hand. Okay, super. So, and anybody who's, you had 3 4s?
I had 2 4s. I had 2 4s and 1 3.
2 4s and 1 3. Okay. You have a 6, right? You have a 6, so that's fine. It's only 5, below 5 which we are, and without sort of a strong, what do we have? You have a 5. You have a 6. So it is you and who else? Well, less than 5. Okay, so you as well. Okay. You have a 5. Anybody on this table? No, less than 5.
Less than 5.
Across less than 5. Across less than 5.
Nothing has come down.
So only you and you.
4 3 1.
So, what does this mean? It can mean anything. It can, the great thing it can mean is, you are the chameleon. Utterly adaptive. It can mean that. It necessarily is not true. Now, having seen a bit of, and this is for you as well, having seen a bit of panther, peacock, owl, and dolphin, perhaps you want to recalibrate the style that you think you are in and join that group of people. Right? So we're going to divide ourselves into 4 groups. There are 2 ways you can do it. You can say you want to do this test again. That's one way of doing it. The second is, in the limited discussion that we've had so far, perhaps there is a style that you have leaning towards. When you do so, then you want to join. Okay, all panthers together, please. 5 minutes. But you also have between. But you can up 7 and 1. Or 7. So predominant is up. All panthers together. All peacocks together. All